about 2 years ago, we started getting these weird letters. We started getting these like pictures of mammoths and kind of like pseudo well-drawn or not so well-drawn dodos from like kids and parents and teachers in like Iowa. And it was like, and it just became a thing, and it just became more of a thing and more of a thing. And it became so much of a thing that we said, oh my gosh, we have to devote a whole team to this. And we changed our core values as a company, where a third of our business now is really focused on the next generation, and it's focused on kids. And, you know, I dabbled in an AI, and, you know, and there's been some great AI speakers tonight. But ultimately, I think the thing that I'm the most excited about is kids. And maybe I'm biased because I'm a new sleepless father, but ultimately, like, kids are the ones that are going to inherit our problems. And even if we think of the coolest, greatest solutions, if they don't adopt them and they don't use them, and we just kind of preach down to them or not include them in the conversation, I think that's a really, really big miss. And so we now spend a third of our time thinking about how we communicate what we do in a way that, like, those parents in middle America or someone in another country can understand what we're doing and empower it. And it's completely changed our business model. It's completely changed how we do fundraising. It's completely changed everything about us because we focus on the conversation of kids. And I think that if you look at, like, you know, kids get a really bad rap these days, especially like when there's some, you know, terrible event around the world and something gets activated and people are like, we're really mad at kids for taking this position. Well, it's really our fault because we aren't including them in the dialogue. We are not being collaborative with them, and we are not rebuilding trust with our kids. And so the thing that I'm most excited about is that next generation. I think that kids are the most important asset that we will ever have. I think a lot of you in this room probably have kids, and I think you, hopefully many of you agree with me. And I just want to say that at the end of the day, I think that our investment in solving these solutions are only going to be as good as if these kids take those solutions and run with the ball, or then take it to the next level. And so that's something that's completely changed my life. It's completely changed our company's lives. And it's completely changed our perspective. And ever since we started spending a third of our time investing in the youth, the next generation, the rest of our business, recruiting, everything, funding, everything has taken off. And so that's the thing I'm the most excited about, is not woolly mammoths, but actually just kids. So thanks.